Thing number 8. Your neighbor is not your friend. I wish I knew that proximity equals danger. The nice guy who borrowed my mower. He was the first one to kick in my door. Hunger deletes friendship. I made the mistake of sharing. I gave a can of beans to a starving family. Next day, 10 people were at my door. Charity is a signal flare. It tells the pack you have excess resources. Secrecy is the only armor. I talked too much. I bragged about my generator. When the lights went out, my house was the beacon. If they know what you have already lost it. I wish I knew that trade is a combat encounter. I met a guy to swap batteries for ammo. He brought friends. I barely escaped. Never trade alone. Never trade at home. Assume every deal is an ambush. The gray man applies socially to I looked too prepared. My tactical gear screamed prepper. I should have looked like a refugee. If you look like a victim, the predators ignore you for easier prey. I underestimated the power of rumors. Someone said I had antibiotics. I didn't, but people came looking anyway. Disinformation is vital. Spread rumors that you are sick and starving to stay safe. Thing number 9. Passive defense fails. I boarded up my windows. It just told people there is stuff inside. I should have left the windows broken and hid in the basement. Deception beats fortification. I wish I knew about light discipline. I lit a candle. It was like a lighthouse. A single photon in a blackout travels for miles. I learned to live in the dark. If you need light to pee, you die. Noise is a death sentence. My dog barked. Raiders heard it. Dogs are great for alarms, but terrible for stealth. I had to make a hard choice. Silence your environment or be found. I relied on locks. Locks keep honest people out. A hungry man with a sledgehammer doesn't care about your deadbolt. You need active defense. You need to be awake and armed, not just locked in. Sleep shifts are mandatory. I tried to sleep alone. I woke up with a stranger in my room. You cannot survive without a sentry. If you are solo, you must booby-trap your perimeter with noisemakers. I wish I knew that. Trash tells a story. I threw away food wrappers. Scavengers found them. They knew I was eating well. Burn your trash. Bury your waste. Leave no trace of your calories. Smells travel. I cooked bacon. The wind carried the scent for blocks. It was the dumbest thing I ever did. Eat cold food. Only cook during storms or deep underground. Smell discipline is real. I underestimated choke points. My house had one exit. When they came, I was trapped. Always have a plan B exit. A window, a hole in the fence. If you can't get out, your castle is a coffin. I trusted the code. I thought women and children were off limits. They aren't. Raiders use kids as scouts. I hesitated to threaten a kid, and he signaled his group. Total war means total war. Weapons require maintenance. My gun jammed because I didn't clean it. A dirty gun is a paperweight. I wish I had bought a cleaning kit instead of a second scope. Logistics win fights, not accessories. I wish I knew that ammo is currency, but dangerous to spend. Shooting attracts more trouble. The goal is deterrence. A pump shotgun sound is worth 100 rounds fired. Scare them off. Don't fight if you can help it. The lone wolf dies. I tried it. I couldn't watch 360 degrees. I got flanked. You need a tribe. Even if you hate them, you need eyes on the back of your head. Numbers are the only real security. Intimidation works. I looked weak. They tested me. Later, I put a skull on a spike. It sounds crazy, but it worked. You have to project crazy. People avoid crazy. Be the nightmare to avoid the nightmare. I underestimated the value of a dog as an alarm. Not an attack dog, a yapper. Big dogs eat too much. A small, angry terrier eats little and barks at everything. The ankle biter is the best sentry. Fire hygiene. At night, the flash of a lighter is visible. I learned to light cigarettes under a blanket. It seems small, but snipers look for the cherry. Don't give them a target. I wish I knew that mercy is expensive. I let a thief go. He came back with friends. It broke my heart, but I learned. In survival, there are no second chances. You solve the problem permanently. The psychology of the raid is risk versus reward. If you look like you have nothing, or look like you will fight to the death, they move on. Being a hard target is 90% of the battle. So, thing 8. Neighbors are enemies. Thing 9. Security is silence. I learned these lessons in blood. But the final lesson, thing number 10, it's the one that made me accept my fate. The last thing I wish I knew isn't about guns or beans. It's about time. And the lie we tell ourselves about when this is over. Because here is the spoiler. It's never over.